I will share with you how I went from making less than $14 in a month to making not less than $1,000 every single month at home. Crazy, right? So back then in 2022, I was renting just one little room, which was less than $20. But at the end of the month, I will notice that I'm not still able to pay that room. But right now, I'm renting an apartment for me and my family, a very big one. And one thing that I want to tell you right now, which is a fact, might sound crazy. Even if I sit for the past 1 year without doing nothing, I mean like just lying on my bed playing games, watching TV, I wouldn't be making less than $600 every single month without doing anything at all. Why? That's because I have set up everything in a way that I'm going to be making money automatically every single day. I will share everything on this channel and I will teach you how you can make money online on this channel. So you can just give this channel a follow by subscribing and like this video, because I'm going to teach you on how to make money online from the comfort of your home or anywhere that you are. And I want you to know that the money that I make online is not from one source. I make money online from different sources. So let's get to how I started making money online. So back then in 2020, that's when I started a YouTube channel. I live in Cameroon. Here in Cameroon, a lot of people don't believe in this online stuff, especially on YouTube, because everyone is like, they don't monetize YouTube in Cameroon. So if you are in a country that you think that the YouTube doesn't monetize in that country, there is always a way. It's very simple way to monetize a YouTube channel, in which I'm going to upload a video about that later on this channel. So in 2020, I created my first ever YouTube channel, and everyone was like, I should forget about that. The only person who had no doubt in what I was doing was my mom. The craziest thing, I started my first YouTube channel and I got like 20 subscribers, and the channel got terminated by YouTube for no reason. Your first YouTube channel, you have tried share their links to everyone, friends, family. You got 20 subscribers, and you got terminated from YouTube for no reason. So I don't know what happened up till now. I don't know what happened to that channel, but I never gave up, even though there were people telling me to forget about that. YouTube doesn't pay in Cameroon and all that. But still, in 2020, I created my second YouTube channel, which is still available right now. I created that channel and it took me more than a year just to monetize that channel. It took me 1 year, 3 months to monetize that channel. So after monetizing that channel, I was like, wow, I'm going to be making a lot of money. Check on YouTube, I see other people reviewing their channel. I see how much money they're making just from small views. But as I monetize my channel, I noticed that things are not always the way that we see them online. To be real, it took me more than 1 year again to be able to receive salary on YouTube every single month, which means when I got monetized on YouTube, I wasn't getting any payment monthly, because for you to get paid on YouTube, you have to make more than $100 every month for YouTube to be able to send you the money. So after spending 1 year to grow my YouTube channel and monetize my YouTube channel, I wasn't still able to receive even $100 in a month. Now, the first year, it took me 3 months every time to make up to $100. Crazy, right? But I tell you what, I never gave up. I started making $100 every month on YouTube in 2023. So from 2020, 2021, I was trying to monetize my channel. 2022, that's when I got my channel monetized. And from 2022 to 2023, I was trying to be getting payment every month, but I was getting it in 3 months, because it took me 3 months to make $100 on YouTube. So in 2023, I started making $100 every month on YouTube, and I was so happy. I never gave up. I kept on trying how I can increase the revenue, because as I grow, I see that I need money. As you make more than what you have been making, you see that you need more money to do the things that will make you happy and to help your family, right? So in 2022, that's when I decided to create an online course. Why? Because I create tutorial videos and I know that people are eager to learn. I created my first online course, which was the basic level course because I programmed everything. So the reason why I created a basic level course and I informed everyone buying the course to know that this is a basic level course was because I want them to know that there is still a lot for them to learn and you need to learn everything step by step. And I let them know that I will be creating a professional level course which they will learn the advanced things from what they have been learning. They will learn the advanced, they will get advanced lessons from what they got in my basic level course. So I created my course and that's when things started changing. My basic level course changed everything. I was so surprised. I was shocked because I don't know what happened. I just decided to create an online course. So when I created the course, people started buying the course. A lot of people were not able to buy because I never had easy payment methods. I was receiving payments through bank, Western Union, MoneyGram, all that, and people who wanted to send me payments through crypto, I was losing all that. I was losing all that because I never had a crypto payment method. I never had PayPal. And anytime that I see someone to help me receive the payment through PayPal, when they receive the payment, they're going to cut like 30%, 35%. I can show you the receipt that I used to receive my basic level course through Western Union. I can show you all the bank receipts. Take a look at this. These are all receipts from Western Union and MoneyGram. When I created my basic level course, a lot of people were paying through bank because I never had an easy payment method. So I have a lot of receipts here. I think the other ones are somewhere else in my room. But I just wanted to show you I have a lot of receipts right here. These are paychecks. So my basic level course, I was selling it for $50 when I created it. $50. From there, it went to $70 and was ranging between $50 to $70 because when I was selling it, some people will come, they say, any discount? Okay, I will say, okay, give $50. With my basic level course, after creating it, I was making between $300 to $500 every single month. So in 2024, that's when everything changed drastically. Everything changed in such a way that I never even understood how fast that was. I could not even read how fast everything changed. I skyrocketed from making between $300 to $500 to making between $1,000 to $1,500 every single month, and up till now. That's how everything has been. And I'm going to tell you how I kept that up. I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. So in 2024, I think April, around this time, around 2024, I started working on my professional level course, which is still an online course. So this time around, I had more knowledge. I had more knowledge on how I can secure my course because my basic level course, there are times that I will sit and I will receive a lot of screenshots from people saying that people who bought my courses are selling my courses in other groups. And because of that, most people in those groups, some of them will be following me on YouTube and they will buy from them very cheap because they sell them very cheap. So I had to take my time work on my professional level course. It took me 2 months to work on my professional level course. So after working on that course, I had to find a means to secure that course in a way that when you buy that course, you won't be able to download the content. I succeeded. So I launched my professional level course, which was $150. That was huge. So the first month that I launched that course, a lot of people bought that course for my YouTube channel. So when I launched the professional level course, I started making from $800 every month to $1,000. But I never went less than $700 after creating the second level course. So what happened? What pushed me up to making at least $1,000 in a month? Remember, I talked about payment method. The payment method was still holding me back. That's why I wasn't making a lot of money. So in this course, I did something which was so cool. I learned about crypto payment method. So I learned about crypto payment method just for my payment, just to receive my payment. I know that a lot of people, when they hear about crypto, it's going to be, they think that everything is complicated. There were a lot of people who are saying they have crypto payment method, they have PayPal and all that stuff. So I decided to learn about Binance, how to receive money in Binance and how to sell it. And because of that, I started getting a lot of people buying my courses because they now have a means to buy my courses. So now the people who never had a finance or have a means to go to the bank, they had PayPal or a credit card to buy directly online. So what I did, I launched an online store in Fort Worth. Damn, that was crazy. That's when everything changed. I was making crazy amount of money when I launched that course. So what I did again, and damn man, I'm crazy. So what I did again, I created my website and I'm making money from that website right now. I'm making money from my website right now. As you can see, I have everything. I make sure that I'm showing you everything. I'm making, even though it's not a lot from the website, but the website is not up to a year. The website, but the website is not up to a year. Every day I'm making a couple of dollars from that website. So I set up all this. I have my basic level course. I have my professional level course. I have my YouTube channel. I have my website. And I have my work that I'm doing. I never told you guys, I'm a mobile phone technician. I still have my work that I'm doing. I do repairs. I still make money from the repairs. I make money from my website. I will make money from my YouTube channel. Digital course is a game changer. If you know how to market your digital courses, it will change everything. Like I said, I will upload tutorial videos on how you can make money. Just subscribe to this channel. Once I see a lot of engagement, I will start dropping tutorial videos here so that we can make money online together. I'm making money every single day and I'm very happy about that. I take care of a lot of things. And look, again, this was me in 2022, and this is me right now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy how everything played out. Everything changed in such a way that I never expected, and so fast. You will keep learning. I will keep finding new ways to make money. And every single way, even if you are not interested on YouTube, creating a YouTube channel, I will show you how you can make money from courses, how you can make money from your website, even if it's a new website. If you create a website today, you can start making money from that website today using my method. If you have visitors on your website, all you need to do is have visitors on your website, and I can monetize your website today. So these are things that I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and wait for more videos. So thank you and see you soon.